Welcome to this video on the attached rod technique, or ART, for selective ground resistance testing. Engineers often face a difficult choice when testing ground systems. They must balance the need for high accuracy with the essential requirement for personnel safety. Traditional fall of potential testing provides high accuracy, but it requires disconnecting the ground electrode, which can create significant safety risks. Alternatively, the Stakeless method is fast and allows for testing without disconnection. However, it relies on parallel ground paths and can be limited by electrical noise. The attached rod technique bridges this gap, combining the reliability of fall of potential testing with the safety and speed of the Stakeless method. The ART setup begins by driving two spikes into the soil, an outer current spike, labeled C, and an inner potential spike, labeled P. Next, the operator attaches a sensitive clamp, which is placed around the specific ground electrode currently being tested. During the test, the instrument injects a known current, while the clamp isolates the specific test current, allowing for an accurate measurement of that ground rod. Because live systems often contain electrical noise, the instrument uses a microprocessor to filter this out, ensuring the final results are not skewed. The instrument then calculates the ground resistance by dividing the measured voltage drop by the specific current reading obtained at the electrode. ART functions just like a traditional fall of potential test. The operator must ensure proper probe spacing to plot an accurate resistance curve. As this table shows, ART is the only method that provides both high accuracy and the ability to test while the system remains connected. In summary, the attached rod technique keeps personnel safe, saves significant time in the field, and delivers provable, high-quality accuracy. To recap, ART merges the benefits of standard methods, uses clamping for isolation, and employs advanced processing for reliable results. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has helped you master the attached rod technique.